What happens when air traffic control goes wrong? Planes get delayed, they circle endlessly, it's chaos. But something similar happens in our bodies when our immune cells don't get the right signals to get where they're needed. Our immune cells serve as our natural defense against infection, injury, and even cancer. But just like these airplanes in the sky, they need the clearance signal to land. And sometimes those instructions never come. That's right where I step in, at the Immune Systems Control Tower. I study how immune cells move through the bloodstream. You can think of the bloodstream as exit ramps. But these ramps aren't open all the time. They need instructions. The big question here is, who's giving the landing signal? To study this, we have to look deep inside of the cell, specifically in how it reads DNA. You can think of DNA as the master instruction manual. Within that manual are genes, like pages of instructions. But here's the catch. Not all of these pages are needed at once, and that's where transfixion factors come in. These transfixion factors act as air traffic controllers that flip to the right page and say, use this now. This allows for immune cells to move through the bloodstream into sites of infection or injury. The two transfixion factors I study in my lab are COOP and ETS. I'm curious on how they interact and if both of them are needed for a proper immune signal. To study this, in our lab, we use bacteria, which produces lots of proteins for us. We insert our DNA for COOP and ETS into that bacteria to get lots of proteins. We then isolate those and test whether they interact. In the future, we plan on using mouse models to explore how this works in a living immune system. This is important because if we can understand how the immune system works and where immune cells are going, we can unlock new treatments to many diseases. In cancer, we could help immune cells more effectively attack tumor cells. In chronic inflammatory diseases like arthritis, we could stop immune cells from causing unnecessary damage. At the end of the day, my research is focused on making the immune system smarter, not stronger. By understanding how this ramp is open, who's giving the signal, we can unlock new ways to treat diseases, reduce inflammation, and help heal people faster. Thank you.